Hello guys, Burgeonn here. If you've ever daydreamed about turning twigs into watts, the BioLite Campstove 2 Plus turns that vision into a surprisingly practical reality. It's a compact wood-burning stove that converts heat into electricity, letting you charge devices while you cook or boil water. Here's a deep dive into what it does well, where it falls short, and who it's really for. Campstove 2 Plus is a portable biomass stove which burns sticks, pine cones, and wood pellets. A thermoelectric generator converts heat to electricity, stored in a built-in battery. Integrated fan improves combustion for a hotter, cleaner burn. An available USB output charges small devices, including an onboard 3,200 mAh battery and a small USB light powered by the stove or battery. Weight is backpackable, but not ultra-light. Power output is up to 3 watts via USB, 5 volts, with short bursts higher when the fire is roaring, best thought of as trickle charging. Battery stores a bit of energy for later, can top off a headlamp, phone in a pinch, or run a flashlight. Fan settings have multiple speeds to tune airflow and heat. Fuel flexibility burns biomass with no gas canisters to carry or dispose of. This device also has an accessory ecosystem. That is, kettle pot, coffee press, portable grill, and fire pit integrate well with it. For boiling, with dry fuel and good airflow, 1 liter in roughly 4.5 to 6 minutes. Real-world times vary based on fuel quality, prep, and wind. It will charge a phone sufficiently. Expect 2 to 3 watts sustained under ideal conditions. Think, maintain battery, or add 10 to 25% over a meal, not full charge from empty. Using the internal battery to buffer helps smooth out dips when you add fuel. The fan makes a big difference. The flame is hot and relatively clean for a wood stove, with noticeably less smoke once it's up to temperature. The setup is easy. Just fill the burn chamber with pencil-width sticks, light, and start the fan. Feed consistently for steady heat and power. The learning curve is mostly about fuel size and timing. For cold and altitude, it works fine at elevation, combustion aided by fan, and also good to warm up the unit a few minutes for best charging. A quick note for my fast tracking audience. Imagine the grid goes down, your power bank is empty, and your phone is your lifeline. With the BioLite Campstove 2 Plus, you don't just make a fire. You turn twigs into power. Boil water, cook a meal, and top up your phone from the same flame. No fuel canisters. No outlets. No waiting on the sun. Whether you are hesitating or not, get this tool that keeps you cooking and connected when the next emergency or adventure catches you off guard. Tap the Amazon link in the video description to grab the BioLite Campstove 2 Plus. Thanks for supporting. The Campstove 2 Plus provides a good cooking experience such as heat control, stability, and wind management. The tool is best for backpackers who value fuel independence and don't mind extra weight and tending. Bushcrafters and tinkerers who like gear that does double duty and rewards skill. Emergency preppers wanting a compact cook-and-charge option. Car campers who want a conversation piece that's actually useful. Where this tool falls short is soot and residue on pots and some ash management. Build quality provides longevity and materials improves durability. The BioLite Campstove 2 Plus truly delivers. Yes, you can charge your phone with fire. More importantly, it's a capable biomass stove with a clever fan system that makes cooking efficient and enjoyable. Treat the charging as a bonus rather than the main event, and it becomes a compelling, versatile tool for camps and emergencies. If the idea of harvesting both heat and electrons from twigs makes you smile, the Campstove 2 Plus is one of the most polished ways to do it. Link in description. Thanks for watching.